Tonight, we're learning just how alarming the COVID-19 pandemic is impacting the African-American community. In Chicago, 68% of the deaths there were African-Americans. In Louisiana, 70%, but African-Americans make up just 30% of the population in both places. And one Pittsburgh organization has taken notice, getting information out to our African-American community to keep them healthy, safe, and educated. Channel 11's Ryan Houston explains.
A weekly conversation about race and the coronavirus was fueled after data was released showing that the virus was disproportionately affecting African Americans.
It was a feeling of, wow, we really need to do this, not just one time, but do this consistently and get information to our community that our community needs. So hopefully, Black Pittsburgh and the surrounding areas can avoid the same fate as the Black communities in areas like Chicago and Detroit.
Desiri X is the founder of One Hood Media. His nonprofit is helping to put on the weekly virtual town hall called What Black Pittsburgh Needs to Know About COVID-19.
There were myths early on in the Black community that if you had melanin, you couldn't get corona, and if you just drink hot water, 10 times a day. And so we just felt like it was important to have a medical professional.
Every week they have different topics and panelists from doctors, state lawmakers to healthcare workers. And they offer help for senior citizens, resources for mental health treatment, and break down the headlines surrounding the virus.
I really felt like I was heard, and it's a safe space to bring up those conversations, and I don't have to worry about, flack or negative energy.
The cool thing about doing the virtual town hall and having it live on Facebook is we have community interaction. So we had about 500 comments.
They're not just all talk. The group bought 2,000 N95 masks to give to frontline workers for free. And their street team is going around in communities of color and putting up literature about COVID-19.
What we don't want to do is wait and take a wait and see attitude, because, in all these other cities, it starts kind of in a more affluent community, but it really begins to devastate our community.
Ryan Houston, Channel 11 News.